make the cow.
All right, tell me what you wrote.
And the wolf. The wolf. And the doggy. And the fox. And the cat. And the tiger.
Wow. Okay, hold on. Oh, go ahead. You
And
go ahead.
how do they spell dinosaurs?
Good question.
Dinosaurs.
Okay, so we're writing today about animal noises. Tell me what you wrote.
I think the name says, rah, rah.
Now, then you said, and the wolf and the doggy. We need to make a whole sentence here. You could say, I like, because you listed all these, hold on, you listed all these things you like. I like, you can read it.
Meow, meow.
Read me what you wrote. I like.
The wolf. The dog. The fox, the cat, the tiger, the dinosaur.
Okay, tell me what they say. Tell me what they say. The dog or the cat or the tiger. Tell me. Which one do you want to do? You want to tell me about the dog or the tiger? You want to tell me, listen, tell me about the dog. The dog says...
The doggy says no. That's woof. Woof.
Great. What else? Tell me more. Tell me about the cat or the tiger. How about, do you want to tell me about the cat or the tiger?
The cat says meow meow.
Tell me.
The cat says meow meow. Meow.
Great. I love it.
The dinosaur. Dinosaur. Huh? The dinosaur says roar. The wolf says
that's right.
says ho.
You want to know how to spell that?
Let's spell wolf.
Howl.
How?
Howl.
The fox says.
What does a fox say? I don't know. What does a fox say? I don't know what a fox says. Do you know what a fox says? You could say You could say I don't know. Okay, you can type that. I don't know.
The tiger says grrr.
He does. I love it. Very good.
Meow. friends. I'm going to type friends.
You want to talk about what friends say? Or do you want to say something about the fox?
The foxes.
You could.
Yeah.
Do you know what a fox says?
Says this.
Alex, do you know what a fox says?
Yes.
What does he say? Or look, you don't
I do
know.
not know.
Then why don't we type that? You could say, I don't.
I do not know.
Okay, type it. I don't know.
It's like a habba.
Sure, we'll do that on a
From
break.
school.
Okay, that's fine. No problem. You could say, I don't know.
I do not know.
Let's type it.
It's like a habba. The first break.
That'll be fine. I'm fine with that. You can do that. But let's finish.
The first blink after we finish.
Okay. You do great work for me. That would be great. You may take a hot bubble bath. Mwah. All right. Tell me about the fox.
I'm do.
Let's say don't. D-O-N. Good.
No. The finish for a little bit and take a habba breath.
Okay. Okay. I don't know. Let's finish.
I do not know.
I don't know what.
But the fox then.
Good. Type it. I don't know what. You want me to help you with what? You know how to spell that. I don't know what.
What the fox says. The fox says.
I know another animal noise you like. I know one.
Yes.
I know one.
Yes.
Yes. Do you want to know what it is?
But you know what it is?
You can say, what is
What
it?
is it? It is an elephant.
It is an elephant. Do you want to write about the elephant?
No.
Because people call that the elephant trumpets. The elephant trumpets. Do you want to write about the elephant noise?
No.
Okay. All right. What else can we say? Our animal noises, do you like to be loud or do you like to be quiet?
Loud.
Okay. You say, I like.
I'm like loud noises.
Do you like loud noises or do you like loud noises?
No, loud noises.
Loud noises when you make them.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah, you don't always like loud noises. Some noises hurt your ears, I think. Oh, hold on. Yeah. Whoa, let's go back. Okay, so can you read to me what you wrote?
I like the legend ones. The legend says roar. And then the wolf and the dragon and the fox and the cat and the cat and the dinosaur. The dragon says woof woof. The cat says meow meow. The dragon says the dinosaur says roar. Says how how. The tiger says grr grr. I don't know what the fox says. I think I'm out in the images.
Awesome.